How to transfer your posts to Blogger on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your posts to Blogger on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings, and now go down again until you find transfer a copy of your information, and here you will find this one, next, and then click Blogger, and then go to notes and click none if you want to transfer only your posts. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.